You may be interested to know that your vehicle may be equipped with an available entertainment system that gives the rear seat passengers the luxury of enjoying their favorite movies, games, TV shows, and more at their fingertips. Let me explain. The Ford Play entertainment system features two 8-inch adjustable color LCD widescreen displays integrated into the head restraints of the front row seats, and comes with two dual-channel wireless headphones and two remote controls. So, both rear passengers can watch a different movie on each screen or the same movie on both screens. Plus, there's an HDMI, USB, and SD card port on the driver's side monitor to accommodate a variety of devices. And each unit has audio jack outputs for a wired headphone connection. Video content can be viewed three ways: via DVD, stored media, or streaming media. To play a DVD, simply insert a disc into the monitor behind the driver's seat. For stored media, connect a device physically via HDMI, USB, or SD card to access digital files. You can also connect using a gaming console like Xbox, PlayStation, or Nintendo Switch. If you're using an iOS device and are watching protected content, you must connect via an HDMI cord and Lightning Digital AV adapter. To play streaming media content, connect an iOS or Android device wirelessly via Wi-Fi or physically with a popular media stick like Roku, Amazon Fire TV, Google Chromecast, or similar. Keep in mind, you'll need an internet connection to play streaming content. You can also send content to the system from either device when using the Ford Play app to control it. If you have the Ford Play app connected through Sync App Link, you can operate certain system features, such as play, pause, and parental lock. Okay, now I'm going to tell you about a few important points you'll need to know depending on what type of device you're using. If you're using an iOS device, you'll need a Lightning Digital AV adapter connected to an HDMI cable plugged into the screen for both stored and streaming media. Android can be connected either wired via mini, micro, or Type-C HDMI cable, or wirelessly via Miracast. Finally, you also have the convenience of watching live TV. To do so, a connected in-home Sling box is required for live or recorded television. From the source menu, select Sling Player. Log in with your information. You'll only need to do this the first time you use it. Then, use the menus to select what you want to watch. It's that simple. Any questions? Go to owner.ford.com.